You are welcome to the Department of Law and Justice of Northeast University, Bangladesh. My department offers Masters, LLM, and 4 years Bachelor of Law honors. The principal aim of the department is to provide quality education relevant to the needs of a dynamic society. The syllabus is approved by the Bangladesh Bar Council, which the law graduates are required to pass to be a lawyer. NUB law curriculum is unique in many ways. It is more practice oriented and clinical in nature. Induction of thesis and moot courts makes them more confident for the court practice and other relevant field. The department has skilled, experienced and devoted faculties from highly reputed universities and from bar and judiciary. Some of them have PhD and some are engaged in their doctoral research. Some of the students have got a scholarship in reputed institutions like IBS and in different foreign institutions. Our students have primarily qualified in judiciary, police and other government jobs. Many of the students are already intimated to the bar to be a lawyer. Thank you.
Northeast University Bangladesh, education with innovation.